Hi, I'm Swarnava, and this is my second video on this channel. I didn't expect that I will be getting over 10 views on my last video because literally it's kind of ironic that I have not done any kind of editing while being a video editor. So that is something different or something unusual. I am still not going to edit this video. It will be kind of a raw video, only the cuts. And yes, I will try to improve the cuts at least because in raw videos, basically the cuts matter more than anything. But okay, today I don't have many stories, but I have one thing, one quotation that is very true. In the universe, if you think anything can go wrong, it will go wrong for you. And it may be like for anything, like literally for anything. If you think uh, any kind of problems you are going to face in doing a business or in job or in anything, I think basically it works due to that frequency which you operate. I think maybe there is a chance that what happens, there is also a quote that what you want to become, think like that. And how does that work? Like when we think about certain things, that yes, I'm thinking positive for making or achieving something, eventually we end up getting or achieving it. There is called universe power, or maybe your brain or our brain emits radio waves and frequencies which resonates with the same frequency of the universe, and the results that are connected to such frequencies end up coming up to you. So in the same way, if you think negative and do only negative affirmations, so the negative things will be attracted to you. So try to think positive and try to do positive affirmations. And I don't know how long this video will be. I think today's video will be kind of small because I don't have any context, but yes, it is basically a documentation that I am doing for myself. I am still not clear what I will be posting on this channel because I don't know. I am kind of clueless. I'm just trying to get better at speaking in front of camera and overall communication betterment. So that's the goal as of for now. So the thing basically is, many people just think in their mind that we will start, we will do it, we will. They end up procrastinating things and not doing. At least I am executing something. I always thought I should have a better camera, I should have a better mic, I should have lighting setup, many things and whatnot. But I ended up still recording this video in my home. I don't have a studio still now. I don't have a studio. Just recording through my phone. Just a 300 rupees tripod. That's it. Even I don't need this tripod. I can put my phone on some boxes and all. It would work perfectly fine. I don't necessarily need this tripod, not even these lights. Just the home lighting is enough. And it would be a lie if I tell you I am doing this video from a very normal phone. No, it is not a normal phone. I am doing it a good budget phone. 20,000 is not that small. It is a lot, even for me. So yeah, this is a good new phone I have, and I am recording it in 4K, and that too from my front camera. So that would be a lie if I am telling you that any phone is okay. Maybe it is okay for everybody, but no, was not for me. So I, yeah, and to be honest, I was needing a new phone because my old phone was almost 5.5 years old, and it lagged in everything. The bad thing was, in that phone, if I was recording in a 1080p, that is completely fine. If I was recording in 1080p, the phone decided to record the video in a random fps format. Like sometimes it would record in 13 fps, sometimes 15, sometimes 17. Have you ever heard a video is recorded in 17 fps? But the most was sometimes 11 fps. The basic requirement of a video format is to record pictures in 12 fps format, and that's called a video. My phone was recording in 11 fps, so that was the reason I needed to change my phone, and I'm recording it in 4K. I think this video won't be too long, quite a short video. Yeah, I mean somebody liked my previous video. Liked means not liked the video, but put a like on the video. I was like not expecting that anybody would put a like on my video. I don't know why they put why they put a like on my video. If they, I mean, that same guy, if you are watching, uh, you can just comment like what made you put a like on that video. I want to know that. So yeah, and I am not a famous YouTuber, so I won't be ignoring your comment. I will be replying your comment. So you can put a comment on my video, this video. And don't worry, I am not telling you to subscribe. It's later part, not for now. Maybe I don't want subscribers for now. I just want to make videos documenting myself, my journey currently, what I'm doing and how I'm doing it and how I'm making it. That's all. Maybe later I will be making a video on editing or showcasing my actual editing, because honestly, don't judge my editing based on this YouTube videos. I edit quite a decent, not bad at least, quite a decent. And moreover, I haven't decided what specific audience set I will be achieving, what specific audience I will be targeting through this channel. I haven't decided it yet. So it is still in a discovering phase for me. Let's see about that, what happens. Because I haven't put many videos yet. So I don't think I will be targeting any specific audience. Whatever the audience comes and whatever they like, I will be making videos upon that, and that's all. I just want to be consistent on this channel, by which I will be getting a benefit of speaking to the camera fluently. And clients also like if the editor is also a creator, so they trust more. I will be not using this channel as my portfolio, because I have a portfolio website, so I don't need this channel to be my portfolio page. So that's it, maybe enough for the video. I am also thinking of making a video taking a challenge to get a client in 7 days, and at least that would be a good video for beginners, at least, because yes, I can take clients at 7 days is a lot for me. So yeah, even though I'm not that pro that I will message this and I will get a client this fast, not that fast, I don't get clients. But yes, 1 to 2 days or 3-4 days max I need to get 1 to 2 clients. So yeah, I can teach people to get clients in 7 days who are beginners, at least. uh, what I noticed from my journey is that when I was beginner and didn't had a single client, or didn't had the first client, the motivation was way much down. I was only just uh, expecting to just have a single client, the first client. I was, and there is also a buzz in the internet that if you can get your first client, you will be rich and all. Clients will fall from skies towards you. They will be having crush on you. Oh my God, such a good editor. Oh my God, blah blah blah. No, not that. That's not how it works. You still need to grind every single day, every point of time, and put on hard work, try to improve your skills every point of time, and that's how you will be getting more and more and more clients. Not you have done one single client work and now you will be getting more clients using that. Unless you are already good, you won't be getting referrals from that client. In reality, what will happen is the first client will work maybe 1 to 2 or 3 4 projects, and then ended up you ghosting and end up ghosting you. So that's what happens in general, and that's the reality, because obviously you are not a pro video editor at the beginning of your career, obviously. So till then, bye.